Hi, I'm going to show you how to add instrumentation and evaluations to your AI-powered application easily using Scorable. We have here an example application, which is an internal tool for querying data from a CRM using natural language. Details are not that important here. It's enough for you to know that it's powered by an LLM. Firstly, we have the Scorable CLI already installed, but we'll together with our coding agent seamlessly by installing the skills bundle to it. So Scorable skills add. Alright, now the skills have been installed. We can now start our favorite coding agent. We could use Cursor agent, but let's this time use Claude. And let's just tell Claude to add an observability layer using Scorable. And let's also add an evaluation. Alright, what happens now is that the coding agent will inspect our code base and start integrating it with Scorable. So LLM interactions will be captured and sent to Scorable, where they can be easily then analyzed, queried from the UI or from the CLI. Instrumentation is now complete. What we can now do is run our application and see in our monitoring all the LLM interactions and what exactly has happened. We can continue using the CLI, check traces in last 1 minute, and I'll also see eval results. So we can continue using our coding agent and or the CLI directly. I'm just using here the coding agent since I can't recall the exact command, so it's just much easier to use it through the coding agent. And we can see what happened and what was the evaluation score of the thing we just did. So using Scorable, you can easily add OpenTelemetry-based observability layer to your application, get traces, and get insights of how your application is performing over time. Identify recurring issues.